So hi folks, I wanted to be the first video for my YouTube channel to just set the proper context. What is this channel is about? Who am I? Why should you even listen to me? My name is Aryan and I'm UX designer by profession. I do video editing. Let me reel back. Let me start from the beginning. I was the very average student in my school जहाँ लोग 2 दिन पहले एग्जाम्स की तैयारी करते हैं just clear the exams and इसी तरह I have completed my 12th and I have also completed my graduation from Delhi University. Then I joined Airtel as a outsource जहाँ मैंने 8 साल काम किया with multiple departments and in 8 साल में मैंने काफी कुछ सीखा with working tech people. I realized there is one sweet spot at technology and creativity which is user experience design. In November 22 I have started a course called UI UX design from Arena Animation. I was a lucky person. After all that, I ended up working at Wink Music as an intern. So Wink Music is a Airtel entertainment part. You can check out from the Wink Music app. There is a lot of songs, like amazing songs. You can explore that. More on that later. So why I'm opening this channel? This channel is gonna revolve 3 to 4 topics which I really like. So first topic would be a UX design because it is my profession, and second would be the video editing, motion design and color grading, and third would be the AI, how you can improve your productivity by using AI, and fourth one would be a life itself because मुझे लगता है इन सब्जेक्ट का महत्व बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में. So before you watch any of my video, I would recommend you to check Figma YouTube channel. If you are a UX designer, you have to check all these videos because this channel is not gonna start from the beginning, from the basics. In November 22, I started learning UI UX and I ventured upon this journey where I spent 10 to 11 hours in a day to just figure out how Figma works, how design works, going through the theory, going through the practical, doing hands-on stuff, and I documented entire journey in a thorough details. When I talk about details, every single confusion, every single doubt, I have documented how I went through the confusion, how I reached the solution, how I reached the alternative solutions. I have documented all these things, and I wanted to spread because the structure of UX design it's being operated now और ये बदल जाएगा 2-3 सालों में. So जो information मेरे पास अभी है it's probably become redundant. So I want this to reach people जब तक ये जरूरी है, जब तक ये यूजफुल है, because I know this will help you. क्योंकि हम ज्यादा फैंसी स्किन्स को बनाने में बात नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि ये बहुत कोर स्टफ नहीं है, but it's not about little stuff like very minute details, like very small details that help me to accelerate my career growth. As a UX designer, you know that our work is to design screens and collaborate with the stakeholder. But अगर तुम इस फील्ड में आगे बढ़ोगे तो तुम्हें पता चलेगा that there are intangible things that influencing your success. This includes your communication skills. This includes your psychology, understanding of psychology. This includes how you speak, how good you are at articulating your own thought. Because as a UX designer, तुम कभी नहीं चाहोगे कि तुम्हारा डिजाइन फिग्मा तक ही सीमित रहे और फाइनल प्रोडक्ट तक ना पहुंचे. And this is what I really want to discuss with you all guys. और हाँ, this channel is not about UX design, motion graphics, motion design, artificial intelligence. This is about observing things, like truly observing things, understanding what makes them successful and then applying them in our own life. ये बहुत बड़ा reason है कि मैं ये क्यों कर. If you really think about closely, if you have studies engineering, if you have studies literature, if you have studies math, तो तुम समझोगे that there are certain patterns जो आपस में repeat होते हैं. हिस्ट्री वाले पैटर्न जो आज भी repeat हो रहे हैं, पैटर्न ऐसे हैं जो आपस में मिलते जुलते हैं. So there is a huge chance that entire cosmos are operating on a fixed set of principles. And these principles are show themselves in a different ways. A new perception which is not limited to one single field, but a perception that tries to include as many viewpoints as it can, has allowed me to grow faster, to learn faster, to be more self-aware. And because I have documented entire journey as UX point of view, I really wanted to share all the information till the time it's relevant. And we will have a lot of fun. We will not find this stuff anywhere. So folks, this video will be begin with the UX design and we will slowly shift to motion design and then we will shift to artificial intelligence and then we will zoom out, and that is the approach that I am about to take. So we will begin from something that very microscopic, then zoom out, so that we can see the bigger picture. That is the journey I want you to take with me. So you know the basics. Subscribe to this channel so that you get to know that when next video comes. I'll see you guys very soon. So welcome to Aryan Kanojia's YouTube channel.